In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly duplicate events in Google Calendar. Imagine you've got a meeting or an event that happens regularly, maybe not on a fixed schedule, but often enough that setting it up each time feels like a chore. You might not know this, but Google Calendar has a nifty feature that allows you to duplicate any event with just a few clicks. It's a real time saver, and today I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, head over to Google Calendar. You'll need to log in, so please type in your email and password and then click Next. This is your gateway to managing your time efficiently, so if you don't already use Google Calendar, it's about time you started. Once you're in, navigate to the event you wish to duplicate. Your calendar might be packed, but take your time to locate the specific event. After you've found it, you'll notice 3 dots, or what we call the More Options menu. Next to the event details, click on those dots. This menu is like a magic wand for calendar management, giving you all sorts of useful options. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labelled Duplicate. Click on it. By choosing to duplicate the event, you're essentially telling Google Calendar, hey, I want to make another one of these. It's like cloning, but for your schedule. After you click Duplicate, you'll see the event editor with all the details of the original event already filled in. This is your chance to customize. The most common adjustment is the date, but feel free to tweak any other details to fit the new occurrence of the event. For instance, you might want to adjust the time, location, or add different guests. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, it's time to seal the deal. Go ahead and click on Save. And voila, you've successfully duplicated your event. The new event will now appear in your calendar, sitting pretty and waiting for its turn to remind you of what's ahead. And that's all there is to it. Duplicating events in Google Calendar couldn't be simpler. Whether it's a series of team meetings, family gatherings, or repetitive tasks, this feature is a definite game changer in how you manage your time and keep your days organized. Remember, while technology is here to make life easier, it's essential to double check the details. Ensuring the accuracy of your duplicated events, from the date and time to attendees, will help avoid any mix-ups or scheduling conflicts. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on duplicating events in Google Calendar. Happy scheduling, and may your days be ever productive and organized.